March is International Women's Month, and there are so many women changing the game, especially when it comes to beauty.
Yeah, so here with some info on inspiring females in the beauty landscape is New Beauty's Sarah Eggenberger. Welcome back. It's always good to see you.
Likewise, so happy to be here to talk about women-owned businesses. And now more is such an important time to really shop small businesses and support women as you're going through, and maybe online shopping.
Yes,
I know.
This is a very good time.
Support small businesses. Yes, and you've got some great products for us here today.
Yes. So first we have this Restore Balm, is that right?
Yes. So this is amazing because we are talking about what happens when you have dry skin, right? This is based from Dr. Rogers. She's a dermatologist in Seattle, and she saw and analyzed all her patients' skin and really saw the need for healing the skin. Yeah. And that's your golden ticket. When you have a healed skin, your skin can just recover faster. Yeah. You can use this on your eyes, your lips, your hands. Anywhere that you're dry or chapped, especially in the winter, it's a great go-to product.
By the way, it's good right now because we're Purelling all the time.
I know, and everything's so dry.
Yes. So put that on at night, put your hands in gloves, you'll be good to go.
Oh, good. Okay, so next we have this mud mask.
Yes. So when you're looking to create a great product, we really want somebody who knows what they're talking about. This was named after Jennifer Yan, and she created this line based upon her Asian heritage of having a solution-based product. But also, she's an actress, and so she knew what happened when you wore makeup all day and your skin was lifeless. So she created this line, very solution-based, that's going to help with your skin conditions, right? Take off all that makeup. There is a solution for every skin type, but this is their go-to product. This is an amazing product if you just want that refreshed-looking skin.
Yes,
fantastic. And who doesn't?
Yeah, and now hair. We need to talk about hair.
We do need to talk about hair. This is really based upon like a California lifestyle, very easy. She just wanted the best for everyone's hair with this line. So Playa is a very simple-to-use line, but you get great results from it. So you get like the beach waves with some of their products, wonderful shampoo and conditioner. I use it in my hair because it builds great volume. It cleans your hair.
Is one of these, don't they have a dry shampoo?
Yes.
I think I have their dry shampoo.
And it builds volume and absorbs so beautifully.
One, which I love the double duty of that.
Yes, right. If you don't want to, wash your hair, then,
That's my weekends.
That's my everyday.
Dry shampoo, right? Weekend kind of girl. Yeah, so let's talk about the story behind the sponge.
Right. Rayanne Silva is an amazing makeup artist. She's been in the industry for over 20 years. She created the Beauty Blender. We know this because it revolutionized
I mean,
the makeup
it's
industry.
everywhere.
It's everywhere. Everyone needs to use it. And they've recently expanded into foundations and concealers.
Oh, wow.
And beautiful concealers. Love the collection. But also they have cleansers for the Beauty Balm for your brushes. Because they have makeup brushes as well.
Oh, yeah.
And so, as we know, we have to wash or get the Beauty Blender wet before you use it. So wash it first, then use it. Then you know it's clean going onto your face. Yeah. So top priority right now.
I love that because you know what I use to clean it now is I use baby shampoo.
Exactly. That's what I do.
I use the baby shampoo.
And this is made, there's different options for cleansing, but it's made for the Beauty Blender. So it's a great way to get rid of all the makeup and any dirt and bacteria.
You can use this for the brushes as well?
Yeah.
Excellent.
Oh, good.
Yes.
Okay.
And these are very adorable.
I love those.
This is just so gorgeous, isn't it?
I love
this radish. They have these beautiful salad perfumes. I mean, look at these beautiful seashell clamped containers. So it looks amazing on your display. If you have it on your vanity, on your dresser, it smells great. It's 100% natural, so it's very clean. You can feel comfortable using it anywhere.
Are they all the same scent?
There's different scents. We have 4 different varieties of scents to work from, and each thing is very unique. So no two are the same, which is really fun when you're working with seashells.
I love this too because when you have a perfume in your bag or something, you worry about it opening up and spilling.
And also, this is so pretty for wherever you want to put it in your house. Like,
absolutely.
You're running out the front door. It's like a little, little presentation piece.
And a lovely gift to give as well, and great to keep in your purse because, like you said, doesn't go bad. Or when we can start to travel more, great for travel.
I love it all. I love it all, Sarah. Pick up the new issue of New Beauty out now and head to our website for more info on all these female-founded products. Thanks so much.
Thank you, Sarah.
Thank you.
And we'll be right back.